Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find Swift code of Dutch Bangla Bank Limited online. For that, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of dutchbanglabank.com. Once you are over here, you can either click on the option of this Contact Us tab here on the top. So this is going to redirect you on the Contact Us page where you will find a bunch of different articles. So you can look for the Swift code article in order to get the information about the Swift code. You can also click on the Swift code button here on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to get access to that particular article. Now, if this way you are not able to find your Swift code of the Dutch Bangla Bank Limited, you can just simply open a new tab and search for this URL. I will also put the link of this URL down in the description. This way it will be very easy for you to get access to it. Now, once you are here, simply click on the option of select country. Over here, after selecting your country, simply select the bank, which in our case is the Dutch Bangla Bank Limited. After selecting the bank, you will have to simply just select your city. Then it is going to show you the information that you have entered over here and all of the Swift code relating to the city. So you can use it for your international transactions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.